Aspergillus versus Mucor. Aspergillus and Mucor are both filamentous fungi, also known as molds. They both primarily cause severe, life-threatening, invasive fungal infections, called as aspergillosis and mucormycosis, in immunocompromised individuals. Because symptoms of both diseases overlap significantly, and radiographic imaging is often inconclusive, therefore, their clinical differentiation is extremely difficult. Definitive diagnosis usually requires microscopy, histopathology, or molecular testing, like PCR, of tissue or fluid samples. Following are the differences between these two similar fungi. Hyphae. Aspergillus typically features septate hyphae. That means their hyphae are divided by cross walls. Mucor shows broad, mostly aseptate hyphae. Branching pattern of hyphae. Aspergillus hyphae show an acute angled branching at approximately 45 degrees. The branching of Mucor hyphae occurs at wider angles, often right angles, that is, 90 degrees, or even obtuse angles, more than 90 degrees. Shape of hyphae. Aspergillus hyphae look consistent in width, with regular partitions, septa. When they branch, they do so in a Y shape, at sharp, acute angles. Mucor hyphae are much irregular, often described as ribbon-like, because they can appear twisted or collapsed. Reproduction, that is asexual. Aspergillus produces asexual spores called Conidia, or Conidia spores. These spores are produced externally in chains on specialized aerial hyphae known as conidiophores. Mucor produces asexual spores called sporangia spores. These spores are produced within a sac-like structure called a sporangium, which is borne at the tip of aerial hyphae called sporangiophores. Voriconazole, an antifungal drug. Voriconazole is the primary treatment of Aspergillus. Mucor is resistant to voriconazole. Mucor is sensitive to amphotericin B. Diseases caused by these fungi. Aspergillus commonly causes invasive aspergillosis, aspergillomas, fungus balls, and allergic reactions. Mucor causes mucormycosis, a highly aggressive and potentially life-threatening infection, often involving angio-invasion and tissue necrosis. For example, black scars. Thank you. Good luck.